discussing on one of the most trending topics on social media, that is Binod. Now, if you're an Indian watching this, I'm sure you'll know what I'm talking about. Now, Binod generated from one of the comment section in one of the channels where a person commented his name, Binod. And that's the place where this entire havoc started. Now, social media doesn't fail to keep us engaged, right? So, the most important part that I want to talk about is Binod has also entered the Python community. There are various libraries being generated on him. How to extract his name, how to see if it's present in a file or an image. All of that has come within a matter of a few days. Let's go there and see what it's all about without wasting any time. Let's get started. Now, if you open up pypi, that is the official Python library and all the packages, and if you search Binod, okay, you search Binod and this is what you get. Now look at all of this craziness going on around here. You have Binod 1.05, 0.20, 1.02. You basically even have updations coming up. Look at that, 11th August, 10th August. See, it was all this started on June 15th. 2 days later, you have an example module coming up on Binod. Now, isn't that any less than crazy? Now, if you all can see, there's this package that will detect the Binod word in an image file. Somebody also has brought up where you can change your desktop background to Binod. Who would want to do that? Would you like to do that? Maybe. Well, so you see there's just so much going on Binod on the Python community. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a PDF file and then put in some random Binod words there, and I'm going to check if the PDF file is spammed or not. So through this, you can also get to know about the trending topic on Binod. How can you deal with PDF files in Python? You can do all of that. Now, this is basically what you've got to do. Now, you firstly have to install pypdf2. Pip install it, okay? In case you have any problems regarding that, have a quick visit on one of my previous videos where I explain pip installation and problems related to that. So firstly, we will be importing the PDF, okay? That is pypdf2, and we'll give it a pseudonym pd. Now, let me just show you all the example that I have made. I've named it Binod test. So this is my PDF file, and I've taken our very famous lorem ipsum paragraph examples that many of us use in Python. So this is basically a 30 paragraph long PDF. And randomly, if you all can notice, I have added the word Binod here. Okay. Now, coming back, this is our program. Let's have a quick run through and we'll check it out. So what I'm firstly doing is I'll be creating a few objects. First object will be the file object. We are basically opening the file using the name. Again, make sure it's in the same directory. And we are reading it in the binary form. And we are storing it inside test file. Next, we shall be creating a reader, the PDF file reader, and pass the file into that. So PDF will basically be an object related to reading the file. Next, what we do is we make a variable pages, and pages basically holds the page number. Now, no matter what page number you are starting from, let's say you have a 3-paged extract and your pages are numbered as 47, 43, 50, anything, okay? But your PDF file here will start being numbered from 0. So you will have pages 0, 1 and 2. So first I'm saying check page 0 using the get page method. Next, I'll be extracting the text into another variable. And now, remember to close the file always. Now what I'm doing is pretty simple, very logical. Now I'm checking if the word Binod is present in the text. If it is, I have to say yes, the PDF is spammed, and Binod is present in your not image. Let's make it PDF. And next, if it's not, then your PDF is clear and you can go about it. Let's run this now. Well, if you can check, my first page is spammed. It does have the word Binod in it. Now let me check. I basically have 9 pages in here. So let me check the 8th page. Let's see what it says. Okay, my 8th page does not have any Binod in it, finally. So the word Binod isn't present. So you see how you can deal with PDFs and check if Binod has been entered into any of your PDFs or images. And that's it. This was about a trending topic and I thought I should bring it up to you. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll meet you all next time with something interesting again. Till then, bye-bye.